What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another beater box. This box today was a little cheap box, man. I picked up this box from SoleSupremacy.com on last Sunday. This box was $490 shipped. I just cannot get an expensive box to save my life. I've been trying. It's just everything is so random. So yeah, your boy been striking out as far as getting expensive boxes, but I'm just grateful I was able to get a box, period. So yeah, 490 bucks shipped. Just came to the crib. UPS dropped it off a little earlier. Not expecting too much just due to the price, but we'll jump on in and see what we got. If you're new to the channel, a beater box is just a mystery box full of kicks. We don't know what they are. They range from different brands, different sizes. It's all a mystery. We pay one large lump sum and they send us a box full of kicks. That's the best way I can describe it, man. It's a membership only thing. It's only 150 of us, I think, that are able to cop on Sundays. So it's just a small community of us, and we buy them and, you know, we flip them. Some of us keep them. So let's see what we got. All right, we in there. Off top in this box, I don't have any shoes without boxes, which is always a good thing. All the shoes do have boxes. First up, I got an ADIDAS box, size 8 NMD R1, and I think it's a woman's shoe. It says, yeah, it's a woman's shoe. NMD R1. Just nothing special here, just a cool little running shoe. Can't go wrong with some good old workout shoes. Still pretty clean on the bottom. Still pretty clean overall, not bad at all. Comes with the box. Next up, we got a Nike box, an old Nike box, size 8. This is a men's shoe though, size 8. This is a Nike ROSHE. I actually have this same ROSHE in my collection. Just a workout shoe. Good old gym shoe. Oh, let me see if I can hold them up. Nike ROSHE, size 8. Nothing special there. But they in real good shape though. They look like they've only been worn like 2 or 3 times. In the old Nike box. We got another ADIDAS box. See if y'all can see that. Let this thing focus, man. We got an R1, size 10.5. ADIDAS NMD R1. Not the greatest condition, a little dirty. We got placement insoles in them, but still make a good, still got a lot of life in them. Make a solid gym shoe for somebody. If I don't keep myself for a gym shoe. Ever since I started complaining about not having no ADIDAS shoes, I've been getting a bunch of ADIDAS shoes. Next up, another ADIDAS with a box that we all familiar with. If you know anything about shoes, we got a Ultra Boost, size 8.5. These are, I don't know if they got a special nickname or nothing, but these are super clean. Very clean Ultra Boost. I actually like the colorway of these. These are an 8.5. People say that the boost on NMDs and Ultra Boosts are a little different. They say these are superior to NMDs. I don't know. I don't have any of these in my collection. But that's those. NMD or Ultra Boost 8.5. I'm going through this box quick. I'm trying to make it to the post office. We got a 10.5 Air Jordan 12. The box looks disgusting. Like, what is that on the box, man? That's and this is a replacement box for some Charles Barkley Nike POSITEs, I want to say these are called. Just Charles Barkley's. I don't know too much about these at all. They look like they've been worn pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. I wish I would have got some cool 12s in this box. replacement box. This box looks horrible. Won't even be going on the couch. I got an Alpha Bounce size 8.5. A good old another Adidas box. I guess Sole Supremacy is dumping all the Adidas. Last year you couldn't get an Adidas. These are dead stock. These are the Alpha Bounce. I just got rid of a pair of these to a guy off some old barter stuff we did, but anyway, these are those. These are 8.5. Dead stock, black and white or black and gray colorway. The box is kind of beat up, as y'all can see. We got 2 Jordans up. I got a size 9 Air Jordan 11. That's cool. Size 9 Air Jordan 11. We got those navy and gum Jordan 11s. This again was a $4.90 box. So I don't know the price too much on some of these Adidas. I'm gonna have to do my research on those, but it's always cool to pull some clean 11s out of a little cheap box. You know, you'll be able to make some of your money back real fast. Size 9. These are gonna go real fast. Like you might see sold on the screen right now. That's how fast these are probably gonna go. Last up, I got one box. I say this box. My size, the Jordan Retro 1. And we got Royal Ones. We got Royal Ones. And I'm probably gonna tell you right now, these will probably not be for sale, man. This is not the 2016 or 2017 release. But I sold my Royals and I need these. The flyness just don't cut it. You gotta have leather. These are dope to me. I need them again. You guys know I just pulled braids a couple boxes ago in my size 1. So Retro 1's everybody's favorite right now. I guess that's the whole hype thing or whatever. But super clean. Keeping them. Got the blue laces with them. I'll probably keep it black though. Yeah, these are dope. This was a solid box. This box was a W just because I got these. And the gums alone are gonna seal real fast. So appreciate you guys watching it, man. I know this video is kind of quick, kind of me just throwing the boxes and shoes everywhere. I gotta get up out of here. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that sub button if you're new to the channel. Hit me up on Instagram. You can hit me up on Twitter. If you see anything you like, hit the eBay link, see if I still have it available. Yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all follow me on all those places at TGOTSOLE. And that will conclude the $4.90 box. Your boy is out of here. Peace.